This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Nissan Pathfinder, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from that vehicle. First up, let's see how to change the front turn signal bulb. Reach down behind the bulb housing. It'll be a long reach down for the bulb assembly. Here's the bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it out. Here's your front turn signal bulb. You can pull it straight out to remove it. Next, we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this vehicle. Open the glove box to begin. Reach over to the right side dampening arm and disengage the arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together and lower the glove box. Reach up for the access cover. Press the tab and pivot the cover off. You can remove your air filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrow. Finally, let's show you how to reset the oil life.
All right, here we go on this oil life reset. So we're going to push over on these arrows on the steering wheel until we get to the settings. Then you want to push in on the dial. Use the dial to page down to maintenance. And then if we go into service here, this is where the engine oil. And if you push again, it'll say reset, and then you can go down to yes, and then just push the button again, and it'll reset that oil life monitor.
We also recently gave you a preview of how to remove the front bumper, as well as a few other repairs on this vehicle. But if you want more full repair videos for this vehicle and other models, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.